Damn, that's smooth.
It's really just, whoa. The fact that you can just throw a camera in between these little slots and cracks that you've never been able to do before, it's insane. It's priceless, really.
Hi, I'm Andrea from Wiral, where we aim to make the impossible film shot possible. Introducing the next generation cable cam, we enable easy filming in places even drones can't go. This is the Wiral LITE, the first ever portable and easy to use cable cam. The LITE kit is the perfect extension to your existing camera setup. The Wiral LITE is foldable, making it easy to carry with you in a backpack. And with the intuitive mounting system, it can be set up in less than 3 minutes. We wanted to create something that will make people go, wow, how did they do that? When they saw the video going through windows, through cars, really packed woods, or other places where you would never imagine flying a camera. But at the same time, keep it so simple that anyone could use it. Even though it's the first time operating a cable cam, you would definitely be successful. The Wiral LITE goes fast enough to follow the action at high speed and slow enough to capture that perfect time-lapse shot. And the battery? Well, it lasts up to 3 hours with lights indicating how much you have left.
So what are you tracking on?
It's this one.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that. That is so cool.
It's exactly the tool that we needed in the sport.
It takes less than a minute to set up and you're away to go, get the banging shots just like the pros.
With our background from arranging and filming extreme sport events and festivals, we have seen that more and more filmmakers from beginner to pro level are seeking new angles when capturing their most extreme and memorable moments on video. That's why we wanted to make Wiral LITE available for everyone and compatible with any camera and stabilizer up to 3.3 pounds.
I have to admit, the first few times I used it, I got a little bit carried away with the speed. I didn't think it was going to go as fast as it did, which is pretty damn fast. It always came back up and kept asking for more.
I've been shooting films professionally for about 7 years and I've never seen a product that can do that.
With our strong team of engineers, filmmakers, and athletes, we're bringing this product to life here on Kickstarter. We've iterated and tested the product with lead users from all over the world, and the product is now ready for manufacturing. But we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and you can start to be creative with your film angles and to make that impossible shot possible.